really, really careful with it, please. Okay? Be very, very careful. And I'll tell you to stop if I think there's a problem.
What head would you take? This one. Good. Would you take that one or that one? That one! Good! Take this one. Take this path. Swim back to the playground. Straight back to Daddy. But take this one. That one. That one. That one. Yay! Like yay! That one. That one. That one. Left. First. Left. Right. Right. Good girl. This is the way back to the playground. Supernova. No problems. It's okay. What? Right, good girl. Good girl, cat. Good cat. Left to right. Right. Right, good girl.